Hi guys, welcome to Bamboo Kitchen. Today we are making this lemon blueberry cake. This cake is so light and lemony. It tastes amazing bright fresh lemon flavor with juicy pops of blueberries and the creaminess of cream cheese lemon icing. It's definitely a very yummy dessert. So let's get started. First off, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt set aside. Then toast the blueberries with the 1 tablespoon of flour set aside. Let's prepare the pan. Coat with non-stick cooking spray. Here I'm using my bakery pan grease. You can find the recipe in my other YouTube video. In a large bowl, mix together butter, sugar and lemon zest. Give that a mix until get nice, light and fluffy for about 4 to 5 minutes. This step is so important guys, so don't cut down the time on this step. Next up we are going to add in our eggs, mix well. Then stir the dry mixture into it and mix it until combined. Now we are going to add buttermilk along with the juice of 1.5 lemon and mix it together. Finally, add the blueberries. Just fold in by hand with a spatula until just combined. Do not over mixing cause it may result a tough dry cake. Once your batter is ready, you are going to scoop it into your cupcake pan. Tap the pan to make it more evenly. Bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center should come out with moist crumbs. Let the cakes cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes before turning them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. In the meantime, let's make the lemon cream cheese icing. You are going to mix cream cheese along with butter. Just get that nice and smooth. Then adding the icing sugar, mix them well. To finish our cream cheese icing, we are going to add lemon zest and lemon juice. I love how it has that tang taste to it, so it's not overly sweet. At this point, our cake should be ready. You are just going to drizzle it with your lemon cream cheese icing and maybe a couple fresh of blueberries. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!
1, 2, 3